Welcome back everyone to another photography adventure. Today I'm out in Wisconsin at Indian Lake and going to be trying to get some fun compositions out here. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. While walking, I came across this kind of cool little composition. Hopefully everyone agrees with me. I got this bench and some just dormant trees and the lake in the background and this little path kind of winding through what's going to be my composition. So going to try shooting this at 45 millimeters and f9 ISO 100 and hope I can turn this into something as cool as I'm imagining in my head. And I've been having the problem with some of my previous shots where I'm not actually setting the aspect ratio in the camera. So I'm changing it to a 16:9 in the camera so that I can actually get the frame lined up properly, and hopefully this will turn out slightly better. Check for sharpness. Okay, I think I nailed that. So here it is and hope you enjoy. Oh my God, there's ducks everywhere, or geese, or whatever these things are. This is absolutely crazy. So glad I broke out my 70-300 lens and trying to get some really cool composition with just tons of these birds in it. Okay, so I think I got something good there. If not, I might try the shot again from down a little bit if I get a better vantage point on them. But whatever I get, here's the finished product, and I hope you like it. Okay, so gonna try to do something here. I got the lake just absolutely gorgeous beside me, and there's this little hill with a mowed grass and some trees, and I think it's just really beautiful. Although the sky is completely blue, there's a little bit of clouds, but nothing spectacular, but still gonna try to turn this into a good shot. So gonna go with the 16:9 composition for this one, and try to make the most of it. Oh, and I am still on super fast shutters. Okay, let's go with a 2-second delay. Oh. got a tree creeping into the right edge of my frame. This is no good. Maybe I can edit that out in post. Okay, so there we go. I ended up going with 1/160th of a second, and here's hoping it turns out good, but regardless, hope you enjoy. Okay, so changing things up a little bit here and broke out my macro lens. This is my 28mm macro lens, and I've got these little poof ball plants. Not sure what they're called, but they're kind of poofy and just adorable. So I'm gonna try to get a good 16:9 shot of them. Let's see what I can do here. So definitely gonna need to increase my ISO to be able to get this. So let's try 400 and maybe that will be enough to freeze the motion, not sure. Okay, I'm gonna turn some lights on my lens on. And can I hold them still? Okay, I'm gonna change this over to continuous shooting so that hopefully I'll be able to freeze motion in one of these. And I'm also gonna open up my aperture to 3.5, and that should allow me to do this. Okay, I think I got everything set. Just hold you still. Still's not the right word for that. Okay, and when shooting really movie plants, it is always good to zoom in and make sure you actually got focus. Ooh, maybe that one. Oh, and I nailed it on one of them. So here's the shot I came up with. Hope you like it. Okay, so came across what's probably gonna be my final composition out here. I got more plants that are going to seed. Again, go figure, I have no clue what this plant is, but I kinda like it. So I'm gonna try to do an up close shot of this. Looks like I'm able to do this one at ISO 100 because I got the sun just right on it. So gonna go with the 4:3 composition and try to make the most. And let me try to get this poof ball too. Okay, well hopefully I got one of those to turn out. But regardless, here it is and hope you enjoy. Okay, so I lied, going for one last composition here. I came across this beautiful little flower, one last little remnant of summer. So, you know, because I'm not gonna get too many more of these this year, definitely wanna get one last shot of a pretty flower. Okay, and took a whole bunch again because, you know, I shake about as much as the wind is blowing. But regardless, hopefully one of them turned out, and hopefully you enjoy. Okay, well, I think that is going to wrap up this little adventure out at Indian Lake. I made it back to the parking lot, and yeah, that was a really nice walk around the lake. I hope everyone enjoyed all the shots that I got along the way, and if you did, definitely be sure to smash those like and subscribe buttons, and hopefully I will see you next time.